Between me and Mars, there's a blackness. I'm hurled into space. I can't sleep past 5 a.m. I'm so out of place. Between me and Mars, there's a coldness orbiting my head. Something more than gravity's been keeping me in bed. And by this time tomorrow, I won't be where you are. All my thoughts are hollow. I'll blame it all on Mars. Between me and Mars, there's some big trouble for which there is no cure. 20 days ahead of me, 6,000 years before. Between me and Mars, there's a blackness. I'm scared of the dark, so I'm curled up in a little ball, a pounding in my heart. And by this time tomorrow, I won't be where you are. All my thoughts are hollow. I'll blame it all on Mars. Between me and you, there's a whole country I've only seen a bit. 20 days in a minivan, can't get enough of it. Between me and Mars, there's a blackness. I'm hurled into space. I can't sleep past 5 a.m. and I'm so out of place. By this time tomorrow, I won't be where you are. Oh, my thoughts are hollow. I'll blame it all on Mars. And by this time tomorrow, I won't be where you are. As I'm watching you go, I'll blame it all on Mars.
And then it came.